Hello, welcome back to our channel JoJo Farm. Today is another day that the Lord has made, and He said, let us rejoice and be glad in it. This is an update to you all, and like I said in my previous video, I'm doing this with you all. I need your advice. I need your contribution, your concerns. It will really take us far. It is not easy. It has not been easy. But because we are determined and focused and we want to get this project done, we still keep pushing. Like I said, if you know somebody who want to undertake this stuff, it is very important to do a lot of research. Watch videos from YouTube and stuff like that, and keep your head up. And I know at the end of the day, you are going to laugh. Big time. Commencement of the construction has begun. As you can see, the foundation has been digged, and the block laying has started. It's so far so good. We've not had any difficulties since the construction of the foundation and the block works. We are hoping that by next week or by the end of the month, we should be done with the block work, and then we'll be starting the roofing, and things are going on according to plan. Like I said, if anyone wants to undertake this kind of projects, you have to be focused. You have to be determined, and at the end, it will pay off. Trust me. I've done a lot of research. I've followed a lot of people, especially in Africa. I've watched a lot of investments. People that has invested into pig farming, all the way from Kenya, from Tanzania, from Nigeria and Ghana. And the truth and honest thing about pig farming is that there's always a high demand in the market. There is always a high demand in the market. It is not sufficient. It is not an easy journey though, but everything that you want to invest in, you need a capital. Money. Capital. It is very important, money. Because we are at a point whereby right now we are investing. We are putting in money. Like initially we said we were gonna start with 10 pens, but right now we realize that we have to add 2 more pens to make it 12. And we are adding like big ones like 8 by 12, 8 by 11, 8 by 12 to it. This one, the sizes are 7 by 8. It's pretty big. Can take about 4 or 5 piglets, between 6 to 8 piglets, and we are on it. We are moving on. if this is something that you really wanna do, I'll tell you to watch a lot of videos, do a lot of research, look into the areas that you want to do, and make sure that you start in an area where it is a farming area. The reason is that you don't want anybody to complain about your pigs. You don't want anybody to complain about it. So it is very important to look for an area that is a farming community, farming area, that you will be separated or far away from others. We are hoping that things will work on successfully for us so that we can expand it. We are actually looking into doing it for life. For life. We thank God so much for how far this project has been, for this journey. And in our next video, we hope that you are going to enjoy it, because I believe that will be at a level where it will be very, very exciting. Very exciting. But, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to like it, and also hit the notification button so that if we post anything new, you'll be the first to know. It's been a challenging journey, but I know it's gonna be fruitful. Enjoy this video. Recommend for others, and let others also follow us on JoJo's farm and see where we started, where we're going, what we've been able to do, and keep pushing us. Like I said in the first video, we are doing this with you all. The reason is that we want to know how it's gonna go, how far it's gonna go, how we'll be able to accomplish our goal. Your encouragements, your direction, advice, and all are welcome. Help us to get to where we want to be. We cannot do it without you. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and God richly bless you. Watch out for the next updates. Bye.